So the plan for today is we're gonna go up to our farthest field away from us. We're pretty fortunate. All of our fields around the farm are within 4 miles, maybe if that, within a 4-mile radius, except for one, which is about 7 to 8 miles away, north of the farm, northeast of the farm. So we're gonna head up there this morning. I'm here at the field we were at, north of the farm as well, northwest of the farm. We finished this up last night, and lucky enough it worked out just well to where all the grain we had left over, we were able to fit it in one truck. Most of the time you kind of have leftover grain and you have to fill like a quarter of a truck or an eighth of a truck or something like that just to get that last little bit of grain on a truck. But luckily we were able to get all this grain on one truck, so I'm gonna take this to town in the morning. When I'm in town, I'm gonna fuel it up for our trip up north. We still have to take the grain cart home and fill that up, and then the combine's at home right now. My dad's filling that up, so after we get all that filled up, we're gonna head up there and start combining. Get this guy started, let it air up. There it is. Well, while that airs up and warms up a little bit, I'm gonna sit in my warm pickup with the heated seat. It's probably got enough air in there by now, so let's head out. So we're up here now and we're going, as you can see. I didn't get the chance to film much more because my camera died, but we did get everything home. We got everything fueled up. We got the grain cart, the combine, and the 2 trucks up here. So now hopefully, if everything goes well today, we can get this quarter done. That way it's done and out of the way. We don't have to come back up here and we don't have to worry about it anymore. So we're crossing our fingers. He got some weeds stuck in the reel he was getting out. Damn kosher. Gets jammed up in between the reel and the edge here, and you just can't shake it unless you go out there and dig it out. I'm gonna call it lunchtime. What good is a sandwich without any chips? Dad had to leave. He had a meeting to go to. So right now I'm gonna hop in the combine, and the guy who's been driving truck for us is gonna drive truck, and another friend of mine is gonna be running the grain cart. So we can get this hammered out yet today. Climb up in here. All right, let's get this started. We'll idle this down. We'll start our threshing. We'll start our header. We'll throttle up. harvesting. Time for a little bathroom break. So I don't think I'm gonna have much light. I need to get my phone out. So I've been combining about all afternoon now, and I got a air restriction warning on the screen, so I was like, all right, whatever, it's probably just a sensor went out or something. And I got it a few more times. I was like, okay, maybe I should get out and check that. So I just stopped. I climbed up here to get the air filter out, and look at all of the junk that came out of here. Looks like the person who normally runs the combine hasn't been doing a good cleaning job of the filter. Wonder who might that be? Not me. But anyway, we got like 10 acres left, and I want to get everything home tonight, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to just kind of get a majority of the crap out of here, and keep going so we can get this done tonight. Alright, so got that filter back in, cleaned it out just a hair, just enough to make us through, get us through the day anyway. And let's get back to cutting some combine. Yes, I did mean to say that. Cutting combine. Isn't that neat? I'm so glad I can see. That's what every farmer wants at night. Alright. We finally finished. Now, we got enough people here to take everything home, so we don't have to worry about that. And then we're gonna unload this header. Alright. Got that all unhooked. Now everyone's gonna hop in a machine. Now we're gonna take everything home. Whew. If I don't say so myself, that was a pretty productive day. We got a whole quarter done in a day, so that's pretty solid, considering we wanted to get this done, and we didn't want to come back up here. Everything went well. As unheard of as that sounds, everything going well. It did go well. Went off without a hitch. So we're gonna head home and put everything away and call her a day until tomorrow. What we'll take this bad boy, we'll put her in 4. We'll put her in road mode. Oh, swing and unloading on her. There, now she's all the way in. There, now we can go. Well, I just got a ride to my pickup. Since I drove here this morning to take one of the semis to town, so I had to leave my pickup here, and I just got a ride back. And that's it. Everything's done. I got home and I put everything away. Got everything put away. We left our old farm truck up there in the header with the trailer. So tomorrow we can go pick that up. Since the elevator is not open till about noonish, we got some time to do some things in the morning. But other than that, that's today. Calling it a wrap. So till next time, see ya.